Firebox cracks around the ash dump opening can seriously mess with your fireplace's performance and safety, so fixing them fast is key. Okay, so first off, check out the cracks closely. If they're small, you might be able to patch them up yourself with some high-temp refractory cement, which you can grab at most hardware stores. Make sure the area is cool and clean before you start, or the cement won't stick right. If the cracks are bigger or look like they're spreading, it's time to call in a pro because those can affect the whole firebox's integrity. When you do the repair, smooth out the cement so it seals completely and prevents ashes and heat from sneaking through. Keep an eye on your firebox regularly to catch any new cracks early before they get worse. Avoid using regular mortar or concrete for these repairs because they can't handle the heat and might just crack again. Also, try not to overload your firebox with super hot fires all the time, since that extra heat stress can cause cracks to form or grow. And hey, always wear gloves and a mask when patching stuff up, because that cement dust isn't good to breathe or touch. One of the biggest mistakes people make with firebox cracks around the ash dump opening is ignoring them until they get worse and cause smoke leaks or fire hazards. To fix this by inspecting your firebox every few months. Another common problem is using regular mortar or cheap patching materials that fail quickly. Sticking to high-temp refractory cement is a must for long-lasting repairs. Lastly, people often try to fix large or deep cracks themselves when it really needs a professional mason or chimney specialist to avoid bigger damage or safety risks. BigHomeProjects.com makes it super easy for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle firebox repairs safely and right the first time. Plus, if you are a contractor, the site helps you connect with people who need your skills and want the job done well.